Give your Honda Accord a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed custom fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 5 pieces and includes 2 backrest sections with built-in headrest covers and zipper access to accommodate 60-40 split, 2 side bolster covers, and a solid bench seat cover. Begin by reclining the front seats and removing the headrests. Now, stretch the backrest cover over each seat. Make sure to pull firmly down and around the seat. Then tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Next, insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side. And tuck the fabric in. From the back side, pull the straps through and make sure to remove the fabric from the straps to reveal the hook and loop adhesive side. Now stretch the straps over the backrest and fasten them to the back side with the hook and loop closure. Next, place the seat bottom covers on both seats. Stretch the inner elastic loop around the seat buckle to secure. Then insert the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side. And tuck the fabric into the crevice. Now use the foam push bar on each side of the seat bottom and insert it into the crevice of the seat base. Then insert the push clip into the crevice and tuck the fabric in to secure. Next, from the front of the seat, you will stretch the straps underneath the seat bottom. Note that the passenger side has a release bar to slide the seat back and forth. Make sure to stretch the straps over the bar and to the back side. From the back side, pull the buckle clips and some of the fabric out from the crevice. Then pull the straps out from under the seat and connect the straps to the buckle clips. Now adjust, tighten, and secure underneath the seat bottom. Now, attach the cover to the backrest by fastening it with the hook and loop adhesive strips and pressing down firmly to secure. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Next, you will need to open the trunk. Use the release levers on the right and left to release and recline each section of the rear backrests. First, you will need to install the left and right side bolster covers. You will notice that the bolster cover has 2 adhesive strips on one side and 3 foam push bars on the other side. Start by placing the cover around the top of the bolster and inserting the top push bar into the crevice. Now, along the side, use the adhesive strips on the cover to fasten to the fabric side of the bolster. On the other side, insert the foam push bars into the side crevice of the molding and tuck the fabric in. You may opt to use a metal spoon for extra leverage to insert the foam push bar into the crevice. Next, unsnap the original flap from the trunk area near the backrest. Then fold back the flap on each backrest section and push the seats back into an upright position. Next, feel for the release hatch under the front bench bottom on the left and right sides. As you can see, the clip is released from the plastic inserts by pulling the release lever toward you. Pop up and detach the seat bottom Then begin stretching the rear bottom cover over the bench seat. Pull the fabric back away from the crevice and place the straps on top. Begin by inserting all 5 straps into the crevice, and then tuck the fabric in. Around the cutouts, you will notice elastic loops with metal hooks. Insert them inside the cutouts and under the seat. Now flip the seat over to the underside. The underside of the cover has 4 elastic loops with metal hooks. Stretch the loops and fasten the hooks into the foam underside along the length of the seat, which will be tucked under the backrest sections. Now pull the 5 straps out from under the seat. On the right and left sides, you'll stretch the strap through the loop and connect it to the buckle clip. Adjust, tighten, and secure. Now connect all the inner straps to the buckle clips. Adjust, tighten, and secure. Now flip the seat bottom upright and insert it back into position. The cutouts should all line up with the contour of the seat and seat controls. Now remove the seat belt from its holder. Recline each section of the backrest and slip on the backrest covers, making sure to roll up the fabric on the back side so the adhesive does not stick to the seat. Now pull the fabric down over the built-in headrests and down the length of the backrests for a snug fit. Then insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice of the seat bottom, pushing through to the back side. And tuck the fabric in. Next, recline each section of the rear backrests. Pull each hook and loop strap upward from the crevice and fasten them all to the back side one by one. Snap the original flap back into position. Now unroll the back side of the cover and use the adhesive side to fasten to the back side of the seat and secure it in place. Then put the backrest sections back to an upright position. And finally, release and open the center console. Attach the center console cover by slipping the elastic loop around the inside release latch. Then secure the cover around the center console and tuck in. That's it! Mission accomplished! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.